how to create Instagram post on Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure that you're logged in. Then you can see create option on the left hand side. Tap on it and then here you can see create new and you can see Instagram post. Just tap on it and then it will give you a template that is perfect for Instagram post. So this size is ideal, and then you can see various templates that you can choose from. You can describe your design. I want something with beach, so I'll just search for that and then it will generate the designs for me. So just choose one of your choice, tap on it, and now you can edit here according to your wish. So there you go. It's as simple as that to create an Instagram post in Canva. Now, if you want to add your own pictures, you can just go to upload and then you can upload something of your own as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.